In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Ocean Payment on your Shopify store. This will help streamline your payment process, making it more convenient for your customers to complete their purchases securely. So let's get started. Begin by navigating to your Shopify dashboard. This is your main control panel where you can manage all aspects of your store. Once you're logged in and viewing your dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu. From here, you'll want to find and click on the Settings option. This section is where you can customize various settings for your store, so it's essential to know your way around here. After clicking Settings, you'll be directed to a new page. Look for the Payments tab and click on it. This is where you can manage all payment settings and methods available for your store. Having multiple payment options can enhance customer satisfaction and could lead to increased sales. Next, look for the Add Payment Method button. Clicking this will bring up a variety of options for adding new payment gateways to your store. It's essential to offer multiple payment methods to cater to different customer preferences. When the option pops up, select Search by Provider. This feature allows you to quickly find specific payment providers you're looking to add. In the search bar that appears, type in Oceanpayment. This will help narrow down the list of payment providers to exactly what we need. Once Oceanpayment appears in the search results, click on it. Be sure not to confuse it with other similar names like Alipay, Oceanpayment. It's crucial to select the correct provider to ensure proper integration. Now, you will see an option that says 2% transaction fee. Oceanpayment processing fees apply. Click on this to proceed with the installation. It's important to be aware of any fees associated, as this can impact your pricing strategies and overall revenue. Following that, look for the Install button and click it. You'll be asked to confirm that you want to integrate this payment gateway with your Shopify store. Click Install again on the next screen to finalize the process. You'll then be redirected to an Oceanpayment sign-up page. Here, you need to complete the straightforward sign-up process to activate your account. It's vital to provide accurate information to avoid any potential issues with payments going forward. And that's it. By following these steps, Oceanpayment should now be successfully set up and integrated into your Shopify store, allowing you to offer a seamless checkout experience for your customers. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy selling!